Guys, it's me, Daniel Escobar. I'm like about 4'6", around there, not really sure. And look at me compared to this giant ice mountain. It's huge. And look at this car compared to the mountain. Almost exact. Well, not almost, but you know, around there. It's crazy. And this snowstorm is, I'm gonna say it again, very crazy. Like, I just heard those big bang sounds. Like, it might be like an exploding tree or something. But I don't think that could possibly happen. Or I don't think that could. The chances for that tree to explode because of the low temperature. I'm not sure, but it's a possibility. There's a chance for everything. And it is actually quite cold. So, I went sledding, and I just recently came back from sledding. These mountains are huge. I've never seen anything. You know, sometimes I see, like, after some snowing, I see mountains. They might be some might be as tall, but it doesn't compare to like the exact size. They're way smaller than this. So bye guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new shorts, posts, or videos, and we'll see you in the next short. Bye.